Hi everyone and welcome back to Peggy's Picks. Tonight is Halloween movie night for us here, and I snuck home this afternoon to prep our dinner and to go over movies with you so I can have some backup when I pick my movie out tonight. So let me know, do you like horror movies like Scream, or do you like witchy movies like Practical Magic, or funny movies like Young Frankenstein? I'd be curious to know how many people like in each genre. Today we are going to make a delicious fig and gorgonzola flatbread to have with the movie. I picked up a bag of popcorn we'll make in a kettle. And talking about a kettle, I just made myself a nice pot of lemon balm and mint tea from the garden. Having a cup of lemon balm tea in the middle of the day just helps, like if you're having a stressful day, just takes that down a notch. So grow that in your garden. It's very easy to grow, or you can always get it at an herbal store. That's lemon balm. All right, let me get things together and we'll start on the flatbread. Okay, so as you can see, everything is prepped. The recipe for today and our Halloween movie night is coming from my magazine, To Be Home. Comes out quarterly, and this month it's all about pumpkins, mums, and cozy vibes. So inside the magazine there are styling tips, there are recipes for this time of year, there are different articles on growing indoor plants for the season, also how to create equity in your home, how to make your home more efficient. All these things are included with this quarter's magazine. I also, on the back cover, since it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we have early detection information on the back there. So I'm excited. This is what this is going to look like: fig gorgonzola and prosciutto flatbread. So you can do it on a pizza like they have here, but I did purchase the already made flatbread because I am working today and it's just easier for me to get in and out of the house like that. Just washed my hands and grabbed a wooden utensil. That's very good. We're going to take olive oil. We're going to just put it over the top of the flatbread. Now I always put parchment paper on my cookie sheets because it just saves the life of the cookie sheet and makes it so much easier to clean. I love flaked salt. I bought it in Alaska when I visited my brother. This is from the Finger Lakes upstate. It's just, they're totally minerals, nothing out of the ordinary in it, just plain salt from the sea salt. After that, we have put the oil on, we have salted it. I'm going to let's add the meat first. So we'll just scatter all the prosciutto on here. Make sure everything is covered, so anytime someone gets a bite, they are going to get a taste of absolutely everything that is on this flatbread. Okay, so now we are going to put the figs on. This adds the sweetness. The meat adds the savory. Chop these up, not too small, but in like just bite size, so that it's not a pain in the neck to eat when you're trying to eat. And again, make sure that they are spread out evenly. Okay, have a few more, put them on there. Then I have gorgonzola cheese. I buy it already crumbled because it's just easier. And the sharpness of this cheese with the saltiness, with the saltiness and the sweetness of the figs just completes the entire taste bud sensation. All right, and then I ran out to the garden and grabbed some fresh basil. Not much left, but I was able to get some fresh basil. Now I like to pour balsamic on this. but the recipe calls for honey. I will not put the balsamic on until it's out of the oven and cooled just a little bit. So we are now ready to put this in the oven for 10 minutes at 425. I picked out several movies. I'd still like to know what kind of movie that you do like to watch for Halloween. I mean, I could probably do one scary one, but my choices would be Hocus Pocus, either one or two. I always like the first of all movies, but that's Hocus Pocus. And this one you can watch with the kids, which is nice. Then, of course, we have Practical Magic. Practical Magic 2 is coming out, like I've said in a prior video. I have two of these. God forbid something happens to one, I need a backup. My son, Sean, Harry Potter, he gave me the whole selection. So sometimes I'll just do 8 days of Harry Potter and enjoy that at night. Which is, you know, he can only take so much of that. But anyway, this is Peggy's picks for tonight. Kim Novak in The Bell, Book, and Candle. It is a very funny, witchy movie. She owns an apothecary shop / antique shop. And I think he either rents a room from her. I think that's what it is. And she puts a spell on him. And he is gaga over her. And then she has these friends that are witches, and they go to this underground bar at night. He never knows what's going on. I mean, it's really cute. It's funny. She is stunning. Her clothes, everything in the movie is fantastic. This is a whole collection of Kim Novak movies, but The Bell, Book, and Candle is Peggy's picks for tonight for our Halloween movie night. Let's go check on the flatbread. Okay, the bell just went off, so let's get it out of the oven. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, very hot, very, very hot. That will take a while to cool down, so it is ready for dinner. All I have to do is heat it up and slice it up. We have our movie picked out, and we are ready to go. Probably build a fire, put the lighting down, and enjoy a wonderful night in. I hope you have a wonderful Friday night. Enjoy, make the recipe, easy breezy. Everybody can help in the family. Make a pot of tea, open a bottle of wine, and sit and watch the most beautiful Kim Novak movie. Thanks for watching our third week of our Halloween specials.